Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start on a small, marked sector and remove only the broken tiles first. This limits exposure and preserves intact tiles. Use your pry bar under the tile lip to lift gently and release any 1/2 nails. Take care not to bend surrounding tiles. Once done, clear debris with a soft brush so you see the batten and underlayment. Make sure to keep removed tiles in order for reuse. You will save time and reduce guesswork for matching later. You now set the replacement tile, aligning the leading edge with the row below so water sheds properly. Drive a nail at the designated fastening point into the batten. Do not overdrive, because tiles crack when stressed. Once the tile is seated, press seams tight and apply a small bead of sealant over the nail head to prevent capillary leaks. As you work row by row, visually check for even gaps and continuity. Uneven spacing creates leaks and wind uplift risk. You finish by inspecting every seam and flashing junction. Pay attention to valleys and roof-to-wall intersections. Tap tiles lightly. A solid sound means proper support, while hollow or loose ones must be reset. Once satisfied, remove tools and clean gutters so runoff is unobstructed. If water shows up inside later, simulate rain with 1 to 2 buckets of water above the repair while someone watches inside. This reproducible test helps you pinpoint the leak and guides the next corrective step: repair flashing or replace adjacent tiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.